Anytime you look into your phone, you look around, all you are looking for is quick money. How do I get it now, now, now? You gamble, you've lost so much money, you've stolen to gamble. You've told yourself multiple times, after this, I won't do it again, but you still do it. Most of the time, when you are apprehended or you are caught, you promise your family members that I'm not doing it again. You sell your stuffs to gamble, looking for quick money. That is called gambling addiction, meaning that your brain has taken over. It is now on an autopilot, meaning that it has become your second nature. You gamble on impulse. You gamble without even thinking. When you check your phone, the next app is gambling app. That is taking yourself on a journey of permanent poverty, frustration, shame, and embarrassment. I've seen people that gambling has destroyed their marriages. Their spouses are tired. Are you dealing with this monster called gambling addiction and you want to be free? You're tired. You've done everything you could to stop it, but it's not stopping. Some of it has already stopped you from making progress, killed trust in your relationship. People don't trust you anymore because you've lost it. You've lost your integrity to gambling. This is an opportunity for you to do gambling addiction screening tests. Going to the hospital to see a good doctor. A doctor will not treat you without knowing the source of your sickness. And that is what we do in therapy. The gambling addiction screening test is done by professionals, the clinicians. They will know exactly what it is that has prompted you or is pushing you or has pushed you this far to lose everything to gambling. If you're struggling and you want to be free, this is an opportunity for you to do gambling screening assessment test. That will help us to nip the problem on the board. Then you start treating your addiction in therapy. What is important is not how far you have struggled, is how far you're tired and how quick you want to stop before it stops you. Addiction stops people from making progress. Any form of addiction, especially gambling, because it has to do with financial integrity. Probably you've lost one. This is an opportunity for you to take your life back. Click at the link below and do your gambling screening assessment test. You'll be glad you did and you'll thank me in your future.